Welcome back, my dear students. We are doing chapter number 10, perimeter and area. We are on exercise 10D. We are doing question number 11. From a square cardboard of area 196 centimeter square, a circle with the biggest area is cut out. Find the area of the remaining cardboard. Now, as you can see in the diagram, there is a cardboard which is of the square shape. Now, first let's find its side. So area of square is side into side. So 196 will be equal to side into side. That is, to find side, we have to do under root of 196. That is 14 centimeters. We know that the side of the cardboard is equal to the diameter of the circle because it is the biggest circle that can be cutted out from the square. So that is equals to 14 centimeter. Now to find the radius, we have to divide the diameter by 2. That is 14 divided by 2. That makes it 7 centimeters. Now, to find the area of remaining cardboard, we have to subtract area of square and area of circle. So, area of square is 196 centimeter square minus area of circle is pi r square. So, 196 minus pi value is 22 by 7 multiplied by radius is 7 into 7. Now, 196 minus 154 will give me 42 centimeter square. So, this is the area of the remaining cardboard. Next question, question 12. A 7-meter wide road runs around a circular park whose circumference is 196 meter. Find the cost of fencing the outer boundary of the road at the rate of rupees 21 per meter. Now we have been given with the circumference of the inner circle, so we can easily find its radius by using the formula for circumference, that is 2 pi r. Now inner circumference is 176 equals to 2 multiplied by value of pi is 22 by 7 into the radius. Now to find the radius, we will transport 2 and 22 by 7 to the other side. So it becomes r is equals to 176 multiplied by 7 upon 2 into 22. And we are getting the radius as 28 meter. Now the inner radius is 28 meter and the width of the road is going to be 7 meter. So the outer radius is going to be 28 meter plus 7 meter, that will be equal to 35 meter. Now to find the outer circumference, because we have to find the cost of fencing. So cost of fencing, that means we have to find the circumference. So for the circumference we are using 2 pi r. That will be 2 into 22 by 7 into 35, that will be 220 meter. Now cost of fencing the outer border will be equal to circumference multiplied by the rate, that will be 220 into 21, that is equals to rupees 4620. Moving on to the next exercise 10E. Question number 1. Find the area of the circle whose radius is 5.6 centimeter. So what is area of circle? Area of circle is pi r square. Pi value we are taking as 22 by 7 multiplied by radius is 5.6 multiplied by 5.6. We can easily cancel here 7 1 is 7 and 7 0.8 is 5.6. So after multiplication I am getting the answer as 98.56 centimeter square because area is in centimeter square. Question 2. Find the area of the circle whose circumference is 176 centimeter. Now we have given with the circumference, first we will find the radius from the circumference and then we will find the area. So circumference of circle is 176, that is equals to 2 pi r. Putting the values 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equals to 176. R will be equal to 176 multiplied by 7 upon 2 into 22, that is 28 centimeters. Now area of circle is pi r square, that is 22 upon 7 into 28 into 28. That will give me 2464 centimeters square. Next question, question number 3. If a water sprinkler sprays water 315 centimeter in each direction, find the area in which it sprinkled water. Now keep this thing in mind, the water sprinkler is throwing the water in a particular direction. So for that the direction, the length is equals to 315 centimeters. So area will be equal to pi r square, that is 22 upon 7 into 315 into 315, that will give me 3,11,850 centimeters square.